National Range Day, shooting ranges across the country hold open houses. And here in Port Alberni, the Fish and Game Club range saw plenty of visitors, not just on the rifle range, but on the archery range as well.
It's just, people don't get this opportunity to do this. So this day is for people to come free of charge and try it all out and see what it's all about. And we've had quite a few people come through the archery range today. It's been a lot of fun. We got a lot of new archers out there. They did well. And hopefully they'll be back on Thursday nights at 7 o'clock. It's a great sport for families, and it's a really good sport for kids because they need to focus. They need to slow down, concentrate, focus, and they don't get that a lot in their normal everyday lives. So it's almost a form of meditation when they really get into it.
I've been shooting shotguns right now, shooting birdies. Yeah, birdies with 20 gauge. I like it.
I've been doing it with my kids when they were 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and we went to all the competitions and they did the Junior Olympian program. So we've gone right up. My kids are adults now and their kids are shooting. I had my grandson here 2 weeks ago shooting for the first time, and he loved it. It's good for families. If you want to try it, come out on Thursday, 7 o'clock. I'm here. We've got some equipment for kids to borrow, or adults can try mine, and I'll get them shooting. They'll like it.